See these weird teeth? Those are called peg lateral incisors. They're small, funky looking teeth. Some people just had them. I just had them. You're just born with them. There's nothing wrong with the teeth, except no one likes having weird looking pointy teeth. So what do? Do nothing? You wait until your 20s or 30s and get porcelain veneers? No. When you're a teenager, I can give you composite, beautiful veneers that cover up those teeth, do zero damage to those teeth, will last you well into your 20s, and will change your life. Okay, when you're a teenager and you're already awkward and embarrassed and you don't want to smile in photos and you don't want to ask that girl out or ask that guy out because you're afraid he might see your teeth, there's no reason for that. I can do this in just a few hours, okay? If you're a teenager and you have this problem, really talk to your parents, show them this video, go to my website. Even better, send me a couple photos. Show me your teeth. Tell me what you don't like about them, okay? I'll send you and your parents back a personal video showing you all the different options, telling you the costs. You'll know all the things before you even come in here. We can do this. You should change your life. You really should, okay? When you're confident in your smile, you'll be confident in your whole life. Your coming years are super important, and you should approach them with a smile on your face.